Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. Just showing you the weather today. It's very windy and it's raining, non-stop rain, and it's a bit cold today. Right, so I went to my mum's this morning, came back just now, and it's very cold today. Right, I'm coming in now. As you can see, that's the weather for today. Absolutely right. Right, take care everyone and have a lovely day. And I'm going to be making some pot pourri. I was going to throw these flowers in the bin, but then I'm going to show you how to make pot pourri from those flowers. I'm going to use them. Right, take care everyone, have a lovely day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you so much, have a lovely day.